Hi everyone, this is my Module 7 review. After watching the videos and doing the readings, I think it is very important that online learning needs and is should start being a bigger part of schooling through K through 12, because it's gonna be such a big part of our lives even now moving on. Uh, Even in like this pandemic, technology has become a big factor, and it really helps, especially when you know what you're doing. So I think they should start doing online courses in maybe even middle school and high school, and definitely in high school, because that's how it is if you plan to go to college. College, you use a lot of online sources, you do a lot of stuff online. That's just beneficial just for the college aspect. In the world in general, technology is taking over. So, um, really just getting the basic knowledges of using technology and how technology works would be very, very beneficial. I learned a lot from the K through 12 videos in Lawrence Visual's school brochure. I thought it was very interesting that they can still still can do sports, orchestra, stuff like that through the local school, but they have to be dual enrolled and the school has to accept them. I think that's very interesting and is really good because even with virtual students, you don't want them to lose out of their like physical activities and stuff like that. So definitely trying to get kids and yeah, just get kids to go out and do sports still while they're doing online classes was really good. I think um, I think it said 25 to 30% of they want students to be on their computers for 20 to 30% of the time, which is really hard, I think, anyways, especially now for students, um, and especially that they don't have to meet with a instructor constantly. I think that's super hard because kids tend to doze off and go look at other stuff and get bored pretty easily. So, and making sure that they stay on top of their work and stuff like that. That's why I also like I think they have the school helpers, the learning the education helpers. I think that was also a really good move or a really smart idea because it helps. It's just kind of like another teacher, but it helps them just like understand uh, technology, and it's another way to help the students. Um, my LMS experience was pretty easy. I used the Google Classrooms. I think Google Classrooms was really easy to set up. It was really easy to make a classroom because that's what it is. Then adding assignments was super easy, and if I could use it in a more well, because I'm physical education, more classroom setting, then yeah, I would. It's really nice and it's really easy to use. And I think that was it. Thank you.